Okay, so we're at 7756 Southeast Independence, and that's in Cambridge in Hobe Sound. This looks nice. I mean, people look like they are taking good care of their property. Here's the front porch, and the outside, and covered carport. And while we're down here, we might as well go back here. Oh, your next door neighbor has a pool. Ooh, nice. Okay. Washer and dryer. They look to be in pretty good shape. Looks nice and clean, relatively speaking. Okay. Say hi, cowboy. Say hi, cowboy. Okay. So we're gonna go in. And here's the bar and the kitchen. I'm almost too close, so I got a good shot of everything. Wow, nice big pantry. 2 double doors. I'll step back. I mean, lots of room, lots of space there. And this overhead cabinet gives you lots of storage in the kitchen. We'll take a look, and even another pantry. Look at that, another pantry. So you've got a lot of storage space in here. Decent sized fridge. Seems to be in good shape. Let's open it up. Yeah, it looks nice, and it's big. It's real big. Stove looks to be in pretty good condition, near as I can tell. Got a Frigidaire dishwasher. Those I think are the best. Okay. Put my card on the table. All right, so here is the living room. I've got the blinds closed, or it would be much lighter in here, but the paneling looks good. It's a nice soft gray. Flooring looks to be in good shape. It feels solid. Nice built-in china cabinet and drawers. Look at all that. Good sized dining room. I'll back up this way. Too bad they have the blinds closed. It would be lighter in here, but I think you get the idea. Very clean. Okay, so, and then back in the kitchen. So it makes like a wedge shape. Coat closet. Oh my goodness, a third pantry. Look at this. Must be where the AC air handler is, probably. Okay. Sounds solid. Here's the guest bath. Space behind the door, a really good amount of space, and then there's a door back there. Looks pretty clean. You wouldn't have to do anything here. Yeah, that looks to be in really good shape. Okay. This is the guest bedroom. Oh, I see. Okay, so there's 2 doors so that the guest can close their main door and have a door directly into the guest bathroom. Very clever. Yeah, this would be so much lighter in here, but I think you're getting the idea. Flooring looks really good. I'm real happy with the flooring. Carpeting is older, definitely could be replaced, but that's just one bedroom, the master bedroom. They have a little unit, a lot of them do, in the bedroom. Good sized bedroom. And then the master bathroom. pretty. I like it. I wouldn't think I'd like this, but this is kind of cool looking. Even enough space over there for a desk, and oh my goodness, with the draperies open it would look so much better. This is a vinyl, it looks like, in here, and then carpeting like what's in the master, but a good size walk-in, walk-in master closet. Good size, really good size. I know it looks crowded right now, but it's big. And then the master shower. And this one, you know, you might want to redo, but really it's clean. Maybe re-grout or re-caulk. But I think this is the best we've seen. This is the best we've seen. Okay, I'm gonna walk around outside, close the door. Say hi, cowboy. All right, so I'm just gonna go around back and take a look around the sides. Sorry for the sun. This is your backyard. So you've got a little buffer here. This is pretty. Probably could use some paint sometime soon, but it doesn't look, I mean, oh well, it does on that area, just that back shed area. The rest of it looks pretty good, bleached out, but you know, you can do that at your pleasure or not. Very cool. Everything looks pretty clean. Looks like it's, you know, it's gonna work. I know it's kind of the surface stuff, but yeah, I think this might be the one. And that's what it looks like across the street and down Independence. And we'll say our prayers. Talk soon.